So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat.
Good morning, everyone. So I just got done finished drinking this little concoction that I made. It's basically just like lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, and some honey and water. So I've just been drinking that. I've been drinking that for almost like maybe 3 weeks. So it is about 11 o'clock and I'm ready to do my workouts for the day. So we are on day 2 of the Chloe Ting 2-week shred, and I have 3 workouts to do today. So Madeline is actually on a walk right now, and I texted her she's gonna be here in a little bit, but I wanted to do the first workout on my own just because there's 3 of them and I know I'm gonna wanna like take a break. So I'm just gonna do one without her, and then when she gets back I'll do the other 2 with her.
Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep. I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Harder keeps the heat when it gets colder. You know.
Bring your knee as close to the opposite elbow as possible and keep your core engaged. To keep your core engaged, remember to breathe, glutes engage, and make sure your
It's
core is
getting
tight.
much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Bitter, 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 bitter.
Okay, that's too much. What's up, guys? So today is Wednesday. I don't know what day of the Q it is. I'm just not going to look because I don't want to be depressed. Why is my hair like... So yesterday the governor put out a statement that said LA residents are supposed to stay inside, or not stay inside, but just basically we're quarantined for another 3 months. Everybody was like reposting it everywhere, but in reality it's not as crazy as what like the headline said. Basically we're just in stages right now and it's not actually like as bad as it seems, but I mean it's still pretty bad. It's not the best, but I am excited about going home for a few weeks. I'm gonna be leaving on the 25th and I'm gonna be there for a few weeks, so looking forward to that. I'm just looking forward to like getting away and like seeing a new scenery each day because I don't know, it's been a little bit whew. But I am changing up my scenery a bit in here. I've been like doing some home renovations. So as you guys can see, I have a partial wallpaper started right here. So that's what I was working on yesterday and I have not finished it because it is really difficult to do. But that's gonna be in my main channel video. I'm gonna be doing a bedroom makeover like I've been talking about for weeks, but it's finally coming together. So yeah, I got this wallpaper from Target. It's really hard to use. I would not suggest it, but it is the cheapest that I found. Hopefully it'll look okay when it's all up, but yeah. Anyways, today's video, I decided to start off this vlog with organizing my makeup. So for the room makeover, I did change out my desk. I used to have a white one in here, but then I changed it out for this wooden one that I got from Target. It's from their Opal House collection and it was out in my living room originally, but I moved it into here. So I have all my makeup stashed in these little bins. So I'm just gonna go through every single thing and get rid of things that are expired or ones that I just never wear anymore and just organize it into my new desk. So I thought I would do that on camera just because maybe it'll be satisfying. I don't really know, but we're gonna do that right now because then after that, Madeline's on a Zoom call right now, but after she's done with that, we're gonna do our workout of the day. And I believe we're on day 8 or 9 of the Chloe Ting workout. And I've honestly been seeing some results, not anything like spectacular yet, but we are just halfway through. So I'm hoping by the end of it that we will be able to see a little bit of an ab possibly just like 1 or 2 would be good. But yeah, so going strong with that. But for now, I'm going to organize my makeup and then I will work out. So yeah, let's get to work on this makeup situation. Okay, I need to clean these drawers out, so let me go get something for that. We don't have any paper towel left, so I'm using some toilet paper here. Okay, moment of truth is if this will fit in here. God bless. Amazing. Okay, we are good to go. I think I might just do it in like fast motion just because unless I find something interesting, then I'll show you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through this while I listen to Lainey. If Lainey is my favorite artist at the moment, well, group. Is anybody else here a Lainey fan? I would love to know. Let me know if you guys like Lainey because I literally love them so much. And their new single just came out last night, so like that one a lot. And their new album's supposed to come out relatively soon as well, which I am so excited about. So I'm just gonna listen to them while I organize my makeup and we will go from there. Somebody actually asked me one time what foundation I use, and I use the Dior Backstage foundation. It's really good, I really like it. So thought I would share that. And also this is the lipstick I'm wearing if you guys are interested. It is by Too Faced. It's their Melted lipstick in Fig. So there we go, and I'm just going to fast motion this and get this done so then I can go work out. Alexa, play Lainey.
Shuffling Songs by Lainey on Amazon Music.
Thank you.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees.
So this is what it looks like now. I got rid of a good amount of stuff, like some lipsticks and stuff like that, but yeah, this is pretty well organized. I have my brushes here, some highlighters, all my lip stuff, foundation and concealer, and this is like eyeliner and mascara. And then I have some eyeshadow palettes and stuff over here. Also, while I was cleaning that out, I found this, and this is a lash lift kit. And I got this off of Amazon because I saw so many people do like this at-home eyelash lift, and I don't know, it sounded really interesting, so I bought it off of Amazon. But now I'm a little bit scared to actually do it myself. I'm kind of scared because what if I like mess it up or something? I don't know. But this is what it looks like. So this is like a 4-part system, which I feel like that's just so intense, but I don't know. Let me know down below if you guys want me to make a vlog out of myself trying to do this. That might be interesting, but yeah, let me know. So we are technically still on day 8 because yesterday we only did 1 workout. So today we're gonna do the rest of the 3 that are left. And so today was actually supposed to be our rest day, but we're just gonna finish up these 3 and then have our rest day tomorrow. So let's get cracking. Do people say that anymore? I don't know.
Raise the lower down the neck slowly and lift them back.
I'm not wearing the right shirt for this video. Oh no!
Make sure your back is flat on the ground and lower your legs down.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong. It's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as
What's up guys? So it's been a few hours since I last talked to you, and I actually just filmed a Q&A video that will be up after, it might be before, I don't really know, but stay tuned for that. I'm going to be answering a lot of your guys' questions that you asked me on Instagram. But okay, so I've been sitting down here, and honestly this is the vibe right now. So I actually told this to Madeline the other day. I was like, okay, so hear me out. So a few weeks ago I did this thing where I just like sat somewhere in my house that I've never sat in, and it was fun. Like, it was really fun. So like the other day I was just like sitting in, well, it's because I was cleaning, but then I just like sat down. But I was in my bathroom, and I realized that I had never sat in that area of my house before, and it was kind of like revolutionary. It was like I had a different perspective on life. I like saw different things that I had never seen before because I was sitting somewhere else. So basically, if you want to change up your day a little bit, just sit somewhere in your house that you have never sat in. It could just be a corner of your room, it could be underneath your desk, just like anywhere, and just do work there, or just like watch, or like bring your laptop and like watch a movie there. It's honestly like the move right now. Like, I think it's pretty good. So with that said, I'm doing work right here because I don't usually sit right here, and it's a nice change of scenery. Basically just came on here to give you a little update. So it's 3:40. When I get some work done, edit some things, and I think I'm making salmon for dinner. We made it the other day with salad, but we actually don't really have any salad left, so I'm just gonna make salmon. I will check back with you guys later, but I'm gonna get some work done here. What's up guys? So I'm just ending off this vlog because I realized I never did, and today I'm actually doing my last Chloe Ting workout of this challenge. So I think I'm gonna do like a whole recap of just like my results, I guess, in one of my vlogs. Probably in today's vlog I will do like a recap. But yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying my vlogs. Sorry, there's a plane that's flying. I'm actually outside on my porch. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and edit this and get it up for you guys. Also, I just woke up, so that's why my voice sounds really weird. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.
Miss that smile. Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style. So something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that